Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everybody. Ngasi si mayam gi mangda ina thok charak li bai maram si thok ya da na tholok pani. Ai khoi gi lilong kendra gi politics si maru oina oidaba wrong propaganda cheap strategies sugum ba kaya na chahi 35 si dhoka tab silaga voter singda misguide tawra ga laga masi lilong gi halat si khoi si film sida lai fribane aduna sugum ba dhoka tawgi thabak si amaka handana hawrakpadagi media da laga media da thoga myam mangda masigi khana da ya da badagi myam mangda haiba wafam sing asi thamda ya da na thamakpane hojik lilong da hanna yam hainarami a serious thabak thadok pungamoy election lep pungamoy adagi mahakna tawrisi mathang amuk tokhidoini adumena hain dan lerami aikoina thabak si thadok tringegi mamangda executive engineer oina regulation power department gi makhada tawre then superintending engineer oina amuka charge matam sang pudana lerame superintending engineer oina charge purambagi order aikoi sida leijare haibadi MSPDCL dana general manager hai aikona charge puba haujarami si 31st October 2023 dagina up to 31st March 2026 fawasi superintending engineer or general manager ki charge purambani masigi order si aikoi government of Manipur secretariat power department na thokpani masi thoaba matung sidaida aikoi gi hanadagi aina myam mangda commit tawjakhiba service tagi voluntary retirement si 2026 ki February natragana March da lawba hogani en haikibdo mayam punamuna madu lawba ngamoy haiba anbhakt haiba tare lilong kendrabu manghanbade yawba mioi kharana adu mena dum propaganda sandoi madu ikhoina tungoi naraga aikoi December gi tang kunga taruk 2025 tagi voluntary retirement launa naba government application tawai 26 December 2025 ta voluntary retirement launa naba government da application tawba matamda sign tawriba singsi ahan bada aigi wife Dr. Razia oirom da leire adui matungda aigi mother yelom da leiriba Hajibi Basirjan bibi yauri aige pokminnaba ipana he pokpa haiba tare makhoi khudimo loina yaure nipa nupi khudimo loina sign tawrisini masina no objection certificate haibadi Riyazuddin hariba nupa sina voluntary retirement launa nabagi damakta application tawriba se aikhoi khudimo loina yare haina government da no objection certificate ama piraba matung khakta da process hi tawribani voluntary retirement karamna lawgadagi haiba process sidi akhang ai kambu sing hena khanglam logani objection no objection certificate from the family yaudrabadi ade from the family yauraba matung da process tawraba matung da amuka every department sing sida mahaki damakta kari due lady pending lady haibu khuding mak ase nainana bagi damak 3 months ahead tha ahumgi mamangda prior application pi gidamne voluntary retirement lawjage habase aduna maram marga 26 December 2025 ta ain application thare kari hai na 31st March 2026 hai riba numit asidagi ai voluntary retire toba pami from the service haiba posaksi ma pi khre aina tawriba service di power department government of Manipur gi makha da tawjarambani na aduna through proper channel punamakta satlaba matungda masigi silakpane not only that aigi family punamagna thabak thadu aga myam gi seba tawbase yare haina ayaba piraba adugi mathakta amaka lilong kendra da laiba mioi lising kayana aingonda support tawbiraga nang voluntary retirement lawro aikhoi mayam praja punamakki seba tawbagi ayaba se pibi bagi form duni sida lairise masila pirise kaino sida hairisini we have given our consent to Dr. Muhammad Riyazuddin Khan of Lilong Turen Ahanbi to take voluntary retirement from his current service as Superintending Engineer Power Department Government of Manipur to contest the 13th Manipur State General Assembly election from Lilong Assembly constituency. We extend our best wishes and the dua for his success to the election and for serving the people of Manipur, particularly the Lilong constituency. Have the Lilong constituency sida election thengnaraga Miam Prajagi Lilong constituency amadi Manipur gi damak seva tawbagi aikoina ayaba duagal wena the blessing pizari harisi more than 7,000 of the voter of Lilong makoi khudimangna conscience pibira abne ngonda si piraba matungda voluntary retirement se mapugi thousandagi akhoi 31st March to the as per our schedule phangkhre madu phangnaba hotnaba matamda hairiba Manipur government gi makhada leiriba authority khudimungna tawfum thokpa mathosing necessary action mafam matam chana tawbirakpa adugi damakta su all concerned officers including related to the power department I gi thamoi dagi yam makhoi singba thagat pasu phongdokchari aduga hojik laiba posachina karino election gi damakta thabak thadok pangamoi haibadu ma thabak thadokre then official declaration amusu tawkre election lebani myang gi damakta seva tawragani haibagi hojik na amaka hojiki leiriba hanadagi corroded oiraba leader sing sigi myoi kharana thabak thadoi ena makhoi na khalambaju thadorokpa election lepangamoi ena khalambaju election se lepakpa sidaida amaka manung sida ikogi Lilong kendra gi praja se loina pangabagi type ta makhoi na creation do magi nupi amadi mama na case tawri service hanjinna baina hojik case tawde service ta hanjinna bu hotna de Manipur punmaki amadi Lilong praja gi damak seva tawna bagi damak firmly determine and decision whatever we have taken adu punmuk to ikoi ma adu mak farm de leiri habuduni aina myam mangda aigi ima amadi aigi nupi makhoi ani maki mamang makhoi ani ga loina na media da aina hajari bise ado hojik election si lep na nabagi damakta ikoi ngasi khakta preparation torok panate since last 10 years tagini aduga aigi wife Dr. Razia sina family gi labor related matter amadi problem khudimak mahakna handle tawraga aina samaj gi seva tawbagi damakta hotna ba matamda adukimatic cooperation piraga hojik su lakli matung so damak lakhigani aduga amana hojik ki hairiba miyoi khara Manipur Lilong sibu manghan da yadena khallaga leiriba miyoi khara sigi makhoi gi unbhakt knowledge sing sida praja miyam da sandokliba posakse masi tokthok piu chip politics ni vote lepminasi mapuna yaba amadi praja na yaba miduni vote kagdorisi vote lepminasi aduga mayam na yaba du khalhansi yamna gentle oina yamna advance oiba political ikogi campaign mawongda ikoi to minasi aduga saukhot pali luang purat nabu hotna ba matamda amaga cooperation piminasi praja gi seva matik chana to minasi adu id kanagumba gi challenge the vote lep nate Indian constitution na election lep matung da praja gi right sing adu phangaga madugi praja na pibira iba makhoi gi hak adu sing adu phangaba matung da praja gi seva to haibudu gi damakta election si lep chabani kanagumba enemy amar fobo leite aduna akhoi khuding nungsi janana election thengnaminase Aranba propaganda tawroise hanagumna thabak hapoidabda hapani hajinba hanagumna tawroidaba thabakta tawgani hajinba dhoka amadi ikhoi kari haitare jut sugum basing sina base tawraga vote lepaga Lilong praja bu kangaun hanbagi thabak se masing asi hairi numittagi tokminasi haiba posak se aina miyam mangda salam boloina thamjari assalamu alaikum